With so many new devices launching at IFA in Berlin, it might be easy for some to go under the radar. The LG G8X is one that I feel might, though not for lack of trying. The LG G8X is a flagship phone, but it's absolutely nothing special without its dual screen attachment. This is Adam Conway with XDATV, and today we're going to be talking about the dual screen LG G8X. I got to spend some time with the LG G8X at IFA 2019, and I'll be honest, I found myself wondering who it's really for. The LG V50 already exists with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 and 6GB of RAM, and the G8X doesn't really bring anything new to the table. I guess the second screen does match up in size with the primary display, and serve as a half successor to the LG G8, but with a bigger, though lower resolution display, it seems a bit of a side grade. LG says that there isn't too much of a battery impact from having the second screen add-on attached, though you also get a much bigger battery as well in the form of a 4000 mAh one. It's kind of like a Galaxy Fold, but not. It's pretty gimmicky and its purpose is confusing. It's not a bad phone, it just doesn't feel like it fits in any particular market. When your main selling point is an add-on, you're officially in weird territory. The second display even has a fake notch for symmetry. It seems that LG's already forgotten about both hand ID and air motion gestures as well, so there's no more weird hand wavy stuff to control your phone. The LG G8X with its dual screen attachment is very reminiscent of the Nintendo DS. It has a similar hinged clamshell design, and you can turn the main display into a fully customizable gamepad that can be used in compatible games like Asphalt 9 and Fortnite. The haptic feedback when playing is actually quite good and comfortable, though the phone is kind of heavy to hold and play. What's somewhat worrying to me is that at IFA itself, you couldn't actually use the LG G8X on its own. All of the ones at the stand were in the dual screen attachment. I had to ask someone who works there if I could see it outside of the case. Using one screen as a full-fledged keyboard to type an input on the other is very comfortable, and I could actually see myself using it for that kind of functionality long term. Being able to use another app in landscape while watching a video is also an underrated feature. All in all, the LG G8X is quite strange. I can see its uses, but the naming scheme, features, and even execution all feel a bit niche. There's no pricing information yet, so we'll have to see if it's really worth it. What do you think? I'm Adam Conway with XDATV. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more IFA 2019 news.